Hello guys. Alright, so today's video will start now. Today I just wanna show you how the hiring process is going for the 3D modeling of Cognac. I've just posted my first job on LinkedIn. More than 70ish people have been rejected since 2 days of posting the job. And sometimes they ask me, why don't you see our experience, why don't you see this and that, but I told that your experience doesn't just matters to me, because it doesn't matter if you have studied in 12th, if you have studied in 10th, where from which school you have studied, from which college you have studied. The thing that matters to me or any recruiter is just your experience, how your work is. Yeah, your marks and grades do matter, but not in the most cases. And that's the thing that they just don't know. Most of them just haven't sent their portfolio to me. Like they just send their resume. Like I've studied in this and this school, I've gone to this and this college. After that, I've done this and this degree. But where's the portfolio, man? I need the portfolio just for the sake of hiring you guys. I have to shortlist based upon your portfolio, your work, not based upon how much grades you have scored. It's not a scholarship test. It's it's a 3D modeler job. So I had to just go on your work. Reading the resumes of 76 applicants from all over India, like that just doesn't means a small work. That takes a lot of time and that takes a lot of messaging, useless messaging, because they are asking silly questions. What's the payment? What's this? What's that? That just doesn't matter because it's a remote job. I've written all those things in the job description. Like we are getting on the verge of making the game a big launch. Like we are having currently weapon artist and the developer of the game, and there are many like UI artists for now. Like we are having 2 UI artists. Along with that, we are having SFX artists, from one from Pune, and I should have found students till now, but still I'm looking for students and nobody has come to that standard. Alright, so this was the job update. If you are willing, or anybody of you are willing to just get a certificate from Finland of World Championship, that will be a huge change in your career, because whatever you do in your life, you are not getting a world class certificate from another country. And it's really a world class certificate because there are more than 150 countries participating into the World Championship, and it's not a small deal. So coming to the second update of today, we are having here a server, the Cognac. Like you may join the server, you may chat to those people from around the world. Many are them from France also, UK also, and one is from Canada, Maverick. I don't know where he got. So these people are just helping us to test the game. The update that's soon coming to be launched in the next build would be a true FPS. Like our game is going to be in true FPS, same something like Cyberpunk. None of those TDM games on computer have this true FPS thing in them, and like rarely they would have. In it, you can really see what your body is doing, your whole body is doing while you're playing the game. And that's the best we thought that would be in a realistic game, because a person has to see its body. It's not going to be like those CSGO and other games. Like when you go into FPS, you just don't see any other thing. You just have 2 arms to carry the gun and then you go. So this is the true FPS we are doing, and it's really going the way we wanted, and the animations are pretty smooth and it's going really great. You may join the server. The game is going to be launched in alpha soon, like it's a month or 2 remaining. So you gotta join it. And needless to say, you gotta be subscribed also for that. And so push that red subscribe button right now and like the video, share it. That's the update for today, guys. I hope you have watched till now, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.